How to install Spotify music on iPhone 12. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max, and now you want to install the Spotify music app on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to install Spotify music app on your iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store app on your iPhone. Then on the App Store page, click on the search button at the bottom right. Then search for Spotify music. And then click on it. Hang on for this page to load. And once the page loads, locate the Spotify icon and click on it. Then click on the Get button. Here, if I just downloading the Spotify app for the first time, you'll be prompted to tap Install from the pop. Then type in your Apple account password. Then go ahead, type in your Apple account password to start downloading the Spotify app. So if you're using Wi-Fi, this might be a bit slow depending on the strength of the internet. Then we want to switch to mobile data. Now, once you switch to mobile data, this is going to download the Spotify application in seconds. And once the Spotify app is downloaded, then just need to wait until the Spotify app is installed successfully on your iPhone. And once the installation process is completed, you can then click on Open to open the Spotify music app, or go to your app screen, locate the Spotify icon and then click on it. Then you should see the Spotify icon pop just like this. Then go ahead, sign into your Spotify account and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to install Spotify music on iPhone 12. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.